Hey guys, Michael Block here at Arroyo Trabuco Golf Club. Got some exciting news. Starting in May, we have a bunker renovation happening with the help of our course designer, Casey O'Callahan. And obviously we have Michael Wolpoff here, our course superintendent, who has absolutely changed this golf course over the last 5-6 years you've been here?
6 years, sir.
6 years. So a lot of exciting things, and we're here today to show you a couple of the changes here in the next couple months. Cheers. Okay, the most exciting change in my mind is here on hole 9. I've hit it over here in these bushes more times than I can count. So, Casey, what are we going to change here, buddy?
Well, I feel bad for you because I never hit it here. We are going to add a series of bunkers up the right-hand side. And the goal is that currently a lot of times you hit the ball here and you're looking for your ball and it slows down play. So we're going to add a series of bunkers that really kind of look aesthetically great, but they're also going to save you from going into the junk. So it's going to speed up play. I think it's going to be a beautiful change to the course, and it's going to help your game.
And I think a huge part of it as well is we're not going to make it the hardest tee shot in the world, because we are going to take away the first fairway bunker on the left-hand side. So now it's going to play as a little more of a dog leg right, because you're going to be aiming out to that left side now and then back to the right up to the green.
And part of that intent is that bunker probably is not in play as much for the Michael Blocks as it is for somebody like me. And so really the goal is we still have the second fairway bunker on the left. That one will remain, but we're really opening up that left side of the fairway. You got a safe shot. It's going to create a longer shot of the green, so you do have a little bit of risk reward by removing that bunker and adding these bunkers on the right.
For updates on our bunker renovation, check out our website, arroyotrabuco.com, and also our social media feeds on Facebook and Instagram. It's exciting times at Arroyo Trabuco Golf Club, and we appreciate your support.